Hey everyone, this is my first video in I don't even know how long, but I really wanted to try out this new style of documenting the moments in my life that matter to me. Not necessarily vlogging or a full cinematic film or travel video, but trying to find the perfect balance in between the two. I hope you enjoyed this first video of this style. This was a trip to Joshua Tree back in April to test out the teardrop trailer that my father and I built together in our garage. Without further ado, hope you enjoy the video. We're in Joshua Tree, just outside of it because we couldn't go inside, but we're with the camper for the first time. Very proud, very happy. And it's my birthday, so Kelly got me some new overalls. I'm gonna give you a little tour of the teardrop. We got the solar panel that's hooked up to the battery right here. We got the doors. We got our fan going to keep us cool. Our little voltage meter. And last but not least, we got our galley. Kelly's whipping up some lunch right now, and then we're gonna go late lunch, and then we're gonna go into Joshua Tree. Yay!
Perfect s'more.
No matter what, we will always make s'mores.
Yes.
In any situation.
In any situation, even if we don't have a campfire.
All right, so it is about 9:30. We've had a really great day, and we've got like cool light thing. What would you call this?
Heat lamp.
No,
oh,
this
that? Like an oil lamp? I don't know.
Yeah, a cool little, yeah, that's what it is, a cool little oil lamp. And I haven't used one before, and it looks really rad. And we also got the heat lamp. Kelly, is it warm?
I need it.
Put your hand,
yeah.
put your hand to it.
I'm scared. It's very warm.
So this is how you camp in style. Whoa, low key, the low light is amazing. You look great. Look how good it looks.
Gorgeous.
Look at us, we're just hanging out in our little teardrop.
So it's so loud.
After an amazing first night in the teardrop, Kelly and I decided to leave Joshua Tree and head to Palm Springs for the day. We snuck into some hotels that had a pool and just enjoyed relaxing and swimming before heading back to Joshua Tree in the late afternoon for a sunset hike.
Exhausted.
We're gonna go this way, because why not? Look at this. Oh! Ah! Look at this. Check it out. We got to Joshua Tree and explored around. We didn't film much after this adventure, so this is where my narration will leave you. I hope you all enjoyed this type of video, and stay around for a fun surprise at the end. Much love and have a great day.
Touch yourself for your